The ongoing digital transformation means the edge, not just the cloud, is increasingly important for business. The biggest challenge will be securing the exponential growth of the digital attack surface due to the rapid expansion of edge devices. To achieve this, organizations must adopt a fabric-based approach to security that goes beyond isolated security devices and platforms to cover the whole network at the same time, even when it changes. This requires protection that is broad, integrated, and automated.
Hello everyone, I'm Robert May, Senior VP of Product Management at Fortinet. I've been with Fortinet for 16 years, so I've seen a lot of changes, and I've obviously seen a lot of changes in the security fabric. And today we're going to talk about some of the new things coming in 6.4. Well, I think it should be no surprise. The first thing people really love about the fabric is the visibility. And ever since we first introduced the security fabric concept with the topology view and the bubbles, as people call them, we continue to see more and more requests around more telemetry, more data, and more views. And in 6.4, we've taken that even one step further by introducing not just new views, but also a new way to consume the data and to reach more stakeholders in the company. Let's take a look.
Okay, and what we're looking at right here is FortiMonitor, which is a new tvOS app. And what FortiMonitor is able to do is it's able to reach out across the network, talk to the security fabric, and pull back all of that rich telemetry information that's available. So just like if you were to log into 6.2 and from the topology view, you could see the basic topology, what automation or other connectors might be enabled, and then where are all the endpoints located. And then for each of those endpoints, is there any vulnerabilities or other critical alerts? So all of that information is now able to pull back and present in a simplified way, really to any TV that an Apple TV can connect to. And on top of sort of the 6.2 stuff, you're also able to see some of the new features of 6.4, especially around IoT device detection. This is a new service in 6.4, so the FortiGate and the switch or AP all working together can now do really robust IoT device detection. And then on the other side, you've got FortiNAC, which is also a full fabric device in 6.4, so providing that full picture of what IoT devices are connected across the network. Some other aspects of the attack surface, of course, are around best practices, misconfiguration, and other things. And so we've continued to build out the security rating in 6.4 and split out those results to be a bit more actionable as well.
Well, one of the big challenges that we've seen, especially from larger organizations that have a SOC in place, is really how do I see into the SOC in real time? There's a lot of data, a lot of process and technology in there. So how do the real critical issues bubble to the top to be able to really, grab the attention? And so one thing we've done in 6.4 is found new ways to present that and also make it more able to reach out to other stakeholders like the CISO.
Now, when designing the SOC section of FortiMonitor, really wanted to keep in mind, for someone like the CISO, is to provide a level of visibility and oversight into the SOC operations. So this can be something as simple as, showing the simple dashboards from FortiAnalyzer, which are around, say, IOC or vulnerability monitoring, things that give you sort of a baseline of what's going on day to day. And going one step further, FortiMonitor is also able to monitor the events. So as, say, an incident gets detected and gets raised, eventually gets assigned to a SOC analyst, the playbooks start running and collecting more information. All of that information can be pulled back and displayed in real time. So again, giving the CISO a clear picture of what's going on when urgent things happen.
Well, the nature of SD-WAN really is to collect a lot of telemetry information from across the network in order to make those application routing decisions. And what we've been able to do in 6.4 is unify a lot of that telemetry information with the fabric, and now we're able to present that together so it can give you a clear picture not just of the topology and the users and the devices, but also across, how are the business applications performing, how are the different links performing, and even down inside the branch level to what's going on the switches or on the APs. So really providing a clear picture of each SD branch location.
Now, one area which SD-WAN obviously is involved is collecting a lot more telemetry information around the business applications or around the other traffic parameters. And of course, it naturally uses those to make decisions about traffic routing and other things. But one thing we've been able to do in 6.4 is to really unify that SD-WAN telemetry information with the fabric telemetry information. And what that means is that from the top level looking down, you're able to see, across the environment, what's going on. Is there any particular thing that needs taken care of? So in this case, I've got an alert. Something's going on this site. It looks like a switch has gone out. I'm able to click on that. I'm able to drill down into even the floor plan level and really see what's going on. What's connected, is there any other problems happening? So again, all of that information, which is available in a few different places today in the different products, can all be pulled back and shown in a very, very simple view. So again, now that I've clicked on this site, I can see, how are the applications performing, what else is going on the site, anything to do with the link status or other SLAs or health checks that might be going on. So again, all of that information, again, just presented in a very simple way that's easy to identify issues and take action when needed.
FortiMonitor is available today on the tvOS App Store. All of the things that we've seen today will be available in the next several updates. And of course, if you have any good ideas, any other thoughts based on seeing this, please reach out through the Fortinet beta community. Thank you very much.